Welcome. If you want to change the default application in your LG K42, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, tap on search pool and type apps. Let's go for the apps in the main menu. We have go right here for the default apps. And then, for example, we can change the browser application. So as you can see, we got 3 different browsers, so we can turn on one of them and set it up as default. So I'll go for the Google Chrome. So click right here, and as you can see, our default browser has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah,